I've been attached with the feeling of now waking up with you by my side.
With her audience and the honest and sweet character she has proven as genuine, there is no one like Belle Mariano in the industry. Easily loved by many, and her talent, love for work, and hard work keeps her in demand with a constant stream of surprises.
Give a round of applause. Belle Mariano. Hi, Belle! Thank you for that. Palakpakan naman natin. Grabe, okay, you may now take your seat. That was the first ever full song performance na live dito sa Spotlight Press Con. Such an honor naman, Belle Mariano, ang ating first time. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Kumusta ka naman? Ni-necktie mo lang kami today,
Kaya,
Pakita naman
naikot
natin.
ako kanina.
Pakita natin sa camera. Asa po yung camera
Isa-isa ko po siya tinahi.
Oo, ang ganda. How are you? No, napaka-blooming mo today.
Ay, grabe naman. Parang ikaw. Wow.
Always ka naman blooming. How are you?
Grabe. Alam mo, di ko alam bakit. But every time I sing like you, may kaba pa rin. But it's not a bad kaba. It's a good kaba. Siyempre, nakakatawa na, people are able to hear the album na, and that's the key track. So, thank you so much.
Congratulations, by the way, sa Like You, your album. And baka dun sa mga nanonood, tapos pinanood yung performance mo nga, hindi sila naniniwalang, kinabahan ba siya? Pero totoo, before siya nagsastart, sinasabi niya, kinakabahan ako, kinakabahan ako. Nasabi namin, hala, nag-asap ka na nga.
Hindi, every time I sing it, this is, I don't know, the nth time na kinanta ko tong song. May kaba pa rin, pero hindi siya yung bad kaba. It's a good kaba, diba?
And sobrang ganda. Ang ganda ng song. Did you guys like You?
Yes!
Yes, we all loved it. Kanina nga parang nag-vibe na kami. Right? So chill, right?
yes.
Oo, okay. So, bago natin pag-usapan ang iyong song, yung mga projects, ikaw muna, kamusta ka? Anong mga pinagkakaabalahan mo?
Well, I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. Lately we've been really focused sa album and, you know, focusing on our upcoming project, Tony and I. So I'm very, very excited for that.
Isa pa yan. Isa pa yung pag-uusapan
Yes.
natin. Dahil sa wakas, magbabalik na ulit on the big screen. Okay, sige. Doon muna tayo sa song,
Okay.
which you just performed. Thank you again, by the way. Okay, so yung song na yon, Like You, is part of the album. Sa mga tao na, album ba siya o kanta?
Key track actually siya. So, for those who don't know, the title of the album is Like You. And we wanted the title, can I explain the title? We wanted the title to be Like You is because we want people to be able to relate to the music like that we released. Like, it's just like you. Ganon. And hopefully they find inspiration once they listen to the music. Na parang there's no one like you.
Oh, yun pala yun.
Yeah.
Okay, so doon naman tayo sa song.
Yes.
Album. Medyo ganun talaga yung vibe.
Opt for like a different tone. Like I'm at genre na medyo light ganyan. But you know, hopefully what the song we put out there, hopefully it inspires people. That by the end of the day, that's our goal naman talaga. But we wanted to make it different from my previous album. Kasi my previous album, medyo ano siya, diba? Medyo parang mellow, medyo mahinhin. Ito kasi parang, ito yung na-imagine kong pinapakinggan kong kanta sa kotse pag nagta-travel ako. Very ganon siya.
Easy listening siya.
Yes.
Oo, easy listening. Oo. Tapos meron pang isang song, wait, ano nga yung title? Parang nasa may dulo. Para naman siyang pang-ending ng concert. Tinandaan ko yun eh. Para siyang, alam mo yung last song ni Taylor Swift sa Eras tour niya. May ganun siyang vibe. As in, parang pa-confetti na. Parang ganun na siya.
Doon.
Saan na yun? I think it's Pintuan ba? Or Get Out? Basta hindi ko maalala. Basta isa doon, ang dami niyang vibe. Parang ang dami mo ma-i-imagine habang pinapakinggan yung buong album. So,
Yes.
di naman natin iisa-isahin kasi 8 tracks to. No? But may we know, ano yung parang pinaka-favorite mo or you want to tell us about?
Hirap.
Aling track?
Hirap naman. Na-LSS ako sa Like You.
Okay.
Ang meaningful for me is Pintuan. Because the story is so nice. Like, once you listen to the music, ang ganda. Parang ilang beses tayong sasaraduhan ng pintuan, pero may isang pintuan na para sa atin.
Yeah.
Which is sobrang ganda ng meaning. Ayun, Nowhere Now Here because, you know, it talks about faith. I feel like when I sang that song at least, parang it's like Nowhere Now Here. I'm nothing without you. Ganon yung story niya. Pero yun, ang hirap kasi, ang dami talaga. I love all the songs.
Okay, ako na lang pipili. Yung magdadala, yun yung gusto ko dito.
Ayan!
Yung